Presenting you LSRP'S Universal Fit Washing Machine Spinner Safety Cover or Spin Cap. LSRP'S Universal Fit Spin Caps are manufactured with ultra-precision technique to ensure the caps are optimally thick at all important portions. This optimal thickness offers improved longevity and strength that prevents the cap to get easily cracked during winters or otherwise. Our spin caps are optimally flexible. That offers more efficient spinning operation and improves overall drying performance of the spinner. Our spin caps are universal in dimension. Just match the size of your existing spin cap, and place your order. Like, our spin cap is 26 centimeters in diameter as shown in the video. This will be a perfect fit for all those machines which have similar size spin caps.